force, a push, or a pull? Objective. Introduction to force. Have you noticed the game of cricket? The bowlers throw a ball and set the ball into motion in the direction towards the batsman at a certain speed. The batsman hits the ball, resulting in a change in its direction and speed. The fielder stops the ball hit by the batsman, or it slows down to stop eventually if it is not a boundary. At all the situations in this scenario, we may observe that either the speed of the ball is changed, that is, the ball is made to move faster or slower or stopped, or the direction of motion is changed. Have you ever wondered why does that happen? We generally say a force has been applied on the object. But what is a force? Let us say what it is. Now imagine you are at a grocery store to buy some groceries. You would perform certain actions such as opening the door, pushing a shopping cart, grabbing out the items from the rack and lifting the shopping bags. While opening the door and pushing the cart, you are pushing the respective objects. But on the contrary, while lifting the bags and grabbing out the items, you are pulling them. In general, actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, lifting, dragging results in a change in the state of motion of an object and can be grouped as a pull, a push, or both. In scientific terms, the push or pull on an object is called a force. So, when does the force come into play? And what can it do to the objects it is applied on? Let us learn in detail in our next sessions.